welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen today. First of all, I'd like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers. If you haven't subscribed and you've been thinking about subscribing to Mr. Belle Kitchen, you know that's all you had to do is hit that ding and you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. I have some nice videos on how to cook in the Power XL. People have been leaving nice comments and different things, what they want me to do in the Power XL. As you know, I'm going down that list. I'm trying to do my best. Hope I've been a great help and everything, showing people how to cook in this Power XL. So today, what I'll be cooking today is some ground pork mixed with vegetables. My ingredients today will be 4 potatoes, 3 carrots, spaghetti sauce, 2 cubes of garlic, 1 teaspoon of garlic salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, a half of an onion. And today I'll be mixing up all this in the Power XL. For all you first time viewers and you wonder how to get this top off, you know I can't cook it sauteed with the top on. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this top off this Power XL. That's all you have to do is just wiggle it just like this and put it to the side. If you're cooking things that you wanna cook without the grill or out the air fry or either the bake. So you're gonna take this top off because I will be sauteing today. And today I'll be putting this on Sauté. As you see, it's on Sauté. I'm gonna hit this temperature. I'm gonna set it for 375. 375. Now I'm gonna set my minutes. I'm gonna set this for, I'm gonna just put it on for 2 hours and letting it be heat up while I get everything together. So I'm set it for 2 and I'm gonna press start and let this get warmed up while I demonstrate on. As you see, I already cut 3 of the potatoes and I'm just have 1 potato left. I'm gonna cut it up so you can see how I dice up the potatoes and how I dice up my carrots. I'll be slicing this carrot. And it's gonna be so easy. You can have this over rice or whatever you wanna have it over. Also, I would like to let you know you don't have to use the 2.5 pounds of ground pork. You can use ground beef or whatever you wanna use. If you're using less than what I'm using, you're gonna ease back on your season in your potatoes or the carrots. That way everything come out real good and nice. Since my family kind of big, I'm gonna use a lot because we're gonna enjoy this dish. Usually we do. So I'm gonna slice this up and show you how I did it. A nice little plate and put over here. And I'm just going to start cutting this potato just like this. Get a knife and just cut that potato just like this. I know most of you already know how to do it and everything, but there are people that does not know how to do it, so this is why I'm taking my time. You know Mr. Belle like to take you step by step when he doing things. That way nobody be left out. And just cut that potato up just like that. And then I'm just going to take it and turn this potato over, get me 3 nice cuts off it, and then I'm just going to dice it up. Dice it up just like that. Dice it up, and boy, this is going to be a delicious dish. Just like that, you can cut it up. Like I say, you have leftovers for the next day and everything. This is going to be good. The kids love it. I love it. Just cut it just like that. As you see, everything's getting nice and diced up. Now I'm gonna take my carrot and I'm just gonna slice this carrot right just like this, straight down the middle. Just slice it just like that. Cut it straight down that middle. Like that. And then I'm gonna flip it over. I'm going to cut it about 3 times straight down. Just like that. 3 times like that. Then I'm going to start dicing it up. Just like that. Just slice it up like that. Just like that. See? Come up to nice little dices. Like I say, if you have any leftover vegetables and you wonder what you're going to do with them, just mix them up, put them in a dish, and if you're cooking anything, the kids will love it. They be eating their vegetables at the same time. Just like that. So you can just cut it. Just like that. So this should be nice and hot. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my ground pork in there. Just like that. Put this to the side. And just break this down and let it just cook. Break it all up. Just like that. Break it up. Cook it up just like this. It's going to be extra good. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just tilt it a little so you can see it cooking nice and good. And I'm going to sit the top on it and everything while it's just cooking. While it's cooking nice and good. Just mix that up and just chunk it up so it don't be too thick. Now I'm going to put my seasoning in and I'm going to put the top on it. First of all, what I'm doing, I'm going to put my garlic in there just like that so it can give it that nice good smell and taste. I'm going to put my onions in. That, mix it up. Get it nice and good. That, put this little garlic salt in here. A little black pepper. And I'm gonna put this salt in here. Give it up nice and good. So I'm going to just mix this up. And what I'm going to do, mix it up nice and good. And everything. And that's running good already. Just like that. Yeah, that's good. Mix it up. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to put the top on it. Sit this top on it like this. It's nice and clean. In the meantime, for all you first-time watchers, Mr. Belle like to take you step by step. Also, I like to take you step by step. While this is cooking, wash your dishes. Don't leave it for your spouse. Don't leave it for your kids. Don't leave it for your friend. Wash it while it's cooking. That way you can enjoy the food. Whoever you're eating with, they don't have to worry about who's going to wash the dishes. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this top off sideways just like this in the meantime. And I'm going to sit it right over here. Because I'm going to put these potatoes in. Like this. And mix that up. Just like that. Mix it up and let this just cook. Let it cook just like that. I'm gonna put these carrots in. And I'm gonna let this cook a little bit before I put the sauce in, as you see. Now it's gonna be a real nice dish. Put that right there. And as you see, I'm gonna just mix it up, and I'm gonna put that top on and let it cook a little bit before I put the sauce in. And just mix up all that, just like that. Mix it up. It's a real easy dish, and it's gonna be a satisfying dish. Put the top on, let that cook for maybe about 5 minutes. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the top off now. As you see, it's nice, cooking nice and good. Stick the top right there. I'm gonna just stir that up, nice and good. As you see, it's coming out nice and good. And so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the sauce in, because this is almost done. Cut that open just like that. Open this sauce up nice and good. Now I'm gonna just pour all this sauce right over it. Nice and good. And as you see, it's still a little bit sauce in this thing, so I'm gonna open this water and pour a little bit of water in this and just shake it up. Shake it up. It's about a full cup of water. I'm gonna just shake it all up in this and get all this sauce out of here. Just like that. Shake it up good. Pour it in there. Like that. And now I'm gonna stir this up and let it just cook. Just like that. Oh yes. Now that's looking good. That is looking so good. I'm gonna give you a glance of it. And I'm gonna let that sit just like that. Put the top on it. And have this over some rice. I'm gonna tell you, you love it. Put the top on it. I'm gonna let it sit for a few minutes. And this is done, okay? This right here is done. I don't want to overcook it. So like I said, I set it for 2, and actually only been about 40 minutes for this whole dish, because I still have an hour and 25 minutes. So this is done. I'm gonna press the caster, and I'm gonna let you look at it real nice and good. See how nice that is? That is nice. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna taste it now. And this is done. And that's 45 minutes. And your dinner is done. I'm gonna put me some in this saucer. And I'm gonna taste it. Like I say, this is good over some rice. I'm gonna have some rice and everything with it. But I'm gonna taste it like this and see how it tastes. Hot. It's hot and it's good. And like I say, for all you first time watchers, and you've been watching and you've been wondering, should I subscribe? Yes, you should subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. He have a lot of recipes, and if you like it, subscribe, leave a comment in the box. Thank you for watching.